This video introduces testing solutions for quality assurance in optical networks with pluggable coherent technology. The rapid expansion of AI and cloud services has resulted in an unprecedented surge in data traffic. Currently, there is a growing demand for higher speed and larger capacity not just in data center interconnections in metro or mobile networks, but in access and local networks as well. To support the evolution of these networks, the deployment of pluggable coherent technologies, including 100ZR and 400ZR, is steadily progressing. To ensure interoperability between different vendors, 100ZR, 400ZR, and ZR+ pluggable coherent modules must comply with open technical specifications, such as those published by the OIF. Additionally, operators such as data centers are responsible for evaluating and ensuring the communication quality of the pluggable coherent modules and peripheral devices they deploy in their networks. Given these challenges, there is a need for advanced test solutions that can adapt to diverse requirements. Ensure next-generation network quality with Anritsu's Network Master Pro MT1040A. By directly connecting 100ZR, 400ZR, or ZR+ transceivers to the MT1040A, engineers can efficiently verify both their network performance and optical transceiver functionality. Additionally, MT1000A supports 100ZR transceivers. By deploying the MT1040A and MT1000A during network construction and maintenance, engineers can establish an optimal testing environment for data center interconnects as well as for other networks, such as metro, mobile, access, and local networks. The MT1040A and MT1000A can read in real time and visualize both communication quality monitoring values, such as optical signal-to-noise ratio output by pluggable coherent modules, and FEC errors, as well as test results like bit error rate and the number of transmitted and received frames in Ethernet testing, on the screen. This enables a comprehensive evaluation of communication quality across the entire network, from the physical layer up to the L2, L3 layers. With the MT1040A and MT1000A, users can ensure that their networks are of exceptional quality and reliability. They provide robust support for building the next-generation communication infrastructure that can expand in response to future needs.